What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, boys, and today's a hype video for sure. Look at the back. I got all my wheels in, my tires too. We're in the car wash right now. I didn't want to get the wheels and then get a car wash because they might get scratched. But after this, I'm gonna go get gas and then we're gonna go get the wheels installed. Well, I'm gonna get the tires mounted and then I'm gonna go install them back at home. So stay tuned, boys. It's gonna be hype. I got Misa with me right here. And I don't know, I'm just excited, boys. I've been waiting for this for the longest time. Look, my peoples is in front of me too. Boys, I'm beyond hyped right now. We got the wheels in the back, all fucking mounted. Right now, I'm just gonna go back home. We're gonna put them on. I'm gonna show you guys. I gotta go somewhere, take some nice pictures. Oh my God, I'm hyped, boys.
Daddy, chill.
The wheel is on. I'm about to put it down. Look, this is the front, 18 by 8, you already know, no stretch. It still has meat though. This is the back, 18 by 9 with a little bit of stretch on the tire, not too much. I already got it on. I'm about to, oh my God. Wait, hold it back here so they can see. Yo, that looks so good. Alright, boys, it's ready to go down. Make sure these are pretty good locked in. What? Are you guys ready? No one's.
Wait, it's about to go down?
Yeah.
Oh, go. I want to see.
I'm trying to. I don't want to release it too quick. Yo! I'm already jizzing.
No way.
Oh my God!
Oh, fuck. Nigga said no way.
Oh shit. Yo, that shit looks so cool.
Check his third hand, nigga. Oh,
Third hand. Yo, that shit looks clean, bro. Let me see. Oh. Yo, that looks clean. Holy shit. Once they're all on there, that's as low as they can go, bruh. Oh, look how fat the tire is, too. Compared to this side.
What if when you go on the ground, too? Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah, right now it's on the wood. I gotta take it down. Hold up. Let's see what it looks like with it down. Yo, that looks cool, dude. God damn. I feel like once you see it rolling, it's gonna look hella good.
It is gonna look.
Oh shit, fucking garage. How does the fat? Oh yeah, boys. I don't know if you can see the meat, but that's fucking meaty, dude. And look, he has camber. So I finished. Oh my God, it took a little bit, but boys, it looks freaking sick. You guys are about to see. I'm gonna just show you guys real quick, just so you guys can see what it actually looks like. And I'm gonna try to make an edit, and I'm actually go try hard on this one, boys. So I'm gonna go try hard on this one. But let me show you what it looks like. I got my old wheels over there. Don't worry about those. Worry about these. Check it out, boys. Yo, this looks so cool. And oh, let me put the trunk down. Look at the meat in the back, bruh. Like, it actually has some nice meat to it. That's what I like to see. Oh my God, look at that. Boys, this looks so sick. I need to pick that up. Yo, oh my God, boys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you guys think. You guys already know. Let me know what you guys think though, for sure. Yo, this looks cool. I like how the back is more like deep than the front. So that's a good fit right there. Yo, this looks like a fuck. Oh my God, that's a picture. Hold up. Yo, that's a picture. Hold up. Hold up. Oh my God, dude, that's so sick. Oh, right there. Oh, right there. Oh my God, dude, that's a picture. Holy shit, dude, that's a picture. That's a thumbnail, I think. Oh my God. Yo, that looks so sick. Alright. Sorry, boys. I had to. But yo, it looks good, boys. It looks good. I'll show you guys probably more another day, but for now, this is pretty much it. Look at the back. Fitment is good. Imagine back, boys. Boy, if you don't... I don't know if you can see me too good. Probably you can, though, because I think I've done it like this before. It's kind of hard to record and drive at the same time, but right now I'm on a straight-ass road, so it's all good. But I was going to record myself putting on the front lip, like actually bolting it on and everything. But there was like a little party going on. Well, actually, there was like my neighbors, they were, you know what I mean? And that was going to be awkward recording for them, so I wasn't even trying to record. But they were lighting up, bro. They were lighting up for sure. Oh, that sounds so cringe though. I don't know. How do you guys say it, bro? Lighting up, sparking the sparky, rolling the rolly, smoking the poly. Oh, that sounds like you're about to murder the. You know who I'm talking about. Oh my God, no. All right, but look, I put the lip on. It doesn't fit perfect, but it fits pretty good. It's not too bad, honestly. It's like a little bit off, the fitment's a little bit off, but hey, for aftermarket and pretty cheap for the lip, I'd say it's pretty good. One day I'll get one that fits good, like an OEM one type thing. But for now, I mean, it looks way better, so I ain't really tripping. Hopefully the wind noise, hold up, let me put my window. Where you at, man? But yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, and I put the wheels on. I know I didn't record too much of the wheels, but they're on. There's a bunch of goats over there. But I wanna, what's it called? Do a little, just show you guys. I just wanna show you guys. But I'm trying to find a place, cause I don't know, I'm trying to find a cool little place to park up and show you guys real quick, you know what I mean? But if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram, cause a lot of the mods I'll be doing, I'll probably be posting on there first. So you'll get like a little sneak peek to what's coming in the videos. So make sure to go follow me on that, boys. Check her out, bruh. Oh, damn, it looks clean. I got the lip on, looks good. Let me show you the new wheels though. The fitment is good. The back is kind of stretched, but god damn, does it look good, boys. Got a little bit of cheeks now, you see that? Oh my god. But boys, let me know what you guys think of this. Oh my god, looks good. This is kind of awkward, boys. I'm just filming out in the middle of an empty parking lot. But fuck it, dude. Oh my god. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, are you lying, bro? Boys, another view, just so you guys get an idea of what it actually be looking like. Yo, it looks so clean. Oh my god. Wheel fitment is clean too, boys. Trust. This side's kind of shaded, but looks good nevertheless. Oh yeah, oh right there's good. Alright boys, I'm not gonna lie. I need to find some good spots to film some little edits, but wait for my next mod. I'm getting some headlights. I'm not gonna tell you what they're gonna look like or what they are. Well, I just told you they're headlights. Okay, but they're headlights. After that one, for that one, I need to film an edit for sure. I know this video was kind of short. Psych! Don't mind it, boys. Let me know what you guys think of the wheels. Yo, the wheels make the car look so much better. And it's clean right now because I just got a car wash off. But I don't know. Other than that, boys, stay tuned for the headlights. I'm not sure when they're coming in, but we'll see when they get here. You'll see them when they get here. Other than that, boys, that's pretty much it. I might throw in a couple extra clips. I don't know. We'll see. Probably not though. But if not, peace.